COSORI Air Fryer 5.18. Nice, sleek, beautiful. Keep it on a heat-proof mat, and you can slide it on the counter much more easily. Turn it on. You set your temperature at whatever you want. It goes up to 400 degrees in 10-degree increments, and set your timer for whatever you want. There's a presets on here also. There's a shake button to remind you to shake it halfway through, a preheat button, and toast and bake. Here is the drawer. Comes out. It's all non-stick. Rounded corners make it easier to cook rounded foods like hamburgers. There's place for 4 hamburgers in here. And it's a double basket. So when you're going to clean it, you take this out, and it's all non-stick. I said that. And here's where the crumbs and drips would catch. And you can put it in the sink. These two can go in the sink or the dishwasher. I believe also that it's Wi-Fi to your phone or to Alexa. Love it. COSORI Air Fryer 5.8 black.